There's something really special about the Hudson Valley. It's calm, scenic, and full of charm. And it's just a couple of hours drive away from New York City, but it really feels like it's a world away. There's also some seriously good food here, and one place that really stands out is Essie's, a cosy neighbourhood spot in the town of Poughkeepsie. Brandon Walker is the executive chef and co-owner of Essie's. He brings a unique culinary perspective shaped by his Caribbean and South American roots, while highlighting the best produce the Hudson Valley has to offer.
So Essie's is named after my grandmother. Just wanted to pay homage to the women in my family. They were all great cooks. So I honored them by opening up this restaurant. We have a global approach to food. So to me, that's what American food is a melting pot of cultures and flavors.
This is a stunning part of New York, and just wandering around the streets, the Hudson River is just down the hill here. Tell me a bit about the produce from the region.
You know, we have farmers who produce apples, peaches, cherries, raspberries, strawberries, spring vegetables, squash, asparagus. So, you know, we have a full bounty of things that farmers grow in the area.
So what are you cooking for me today?
So today we're gonna cook our grit croquettes, and then we're gonna also cook our crispy plantains, which I'm gonna do a little spin on for you. I hope you're excited about it, and I know I'm excited about it.
Well, if you're excited, I'm exhilarated.
So let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Let's do it. So Justine, first thing we're gonna cook for you is the crispy plantains.
Okay.
Right? Here we have the plantains here. We've cooked them already, we smashed them. Now we're gonna cook them again.
So this is really interesting because I don't cook often with plantain.
Yes.
Banana, right?
Yeah, no, plantains is
No.
plantains, bananas is bananas.
And why do you fry them twice?
So that way we can get them crispy.
Nice
Let's
one.
give it a go.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna take the plantains, we're gonna drop them in the fat. The fat temperature is about 325, 350.
It's about 180.
Okay, all right. And you're gonna give it a mix around. And you just wanna get them nice and golden brown.
And they won't take long at all because
No.
you've already cooked them once.
Exactly,
Yeah, we're just
exactly.
getting them crunchy.
Just getting them crispy and crunchy. You're gonna tap your skimmer on the pot so that way you get some of that fat off.
Yep.
Right, we're gonna go straight to the bowl. Now we're gonna take our tahini and we're gonna mix that in.
What did you call that?
Tahini.
What's tahini?
So tahini is a Mexican spice rub
Right.
that has tanginess and tartness to it. It has some spices in there. Really, really delicious.
It is very tangy.
Very tangy. It almost tastes like lemon and lime, right?
Yeah, like I
Yeah.
would say the closest spice that tastes like that for me would be sumac. It's
Yes.
lemony, balmy, almost
Exactly.
tomatoey. That's awesome. I love that.
And this is what they use. This same spice is what they use on the Mexican. All right, so now we're gonna go with our cream.
Okay.
We're gonna do a little bit of cream on the bottom of the plate here. And then now we're gonna take our plantains crispy and we're gonna layer them.
So that's just sour cream in there?
No, that's my mojo cream. So it has cilantro, espelette, which is another French pepper, lime, salt, pepper.
Lots of flavors going on.
Lots of flavors going on. Then we have a little bit more of that cream there. We're gonna put some chipotle. And then we're gonna layer it with some cheeses. This is the queso fresco.
Lovely. Queso
then-
fresco.
And then
It's a bit hard to find that in Australia, but
Yeah.
feta would be the closest thing.
that's spot on.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna layer it again. We're gonna put some more.
You're generous with your portions here at Essie.
Well, I mean, so the way our menu is created, we have a lot of our appetizers to be shared. So that's why the portions look a little big like this. We're gonna go a little bit more cream on top.
But Brandon, let's face it, we're here in America. Everything's big. Big portions.
Compared to Australia. Gotcha. So now we're gonna do a little bit more of the queso fresco. Queso fresco and cotija.
Oh, so this is a different to the first one you put on?
That is a different one, yes.
Just a different variety.
Different variety of
Okay.
cheese. Then we're gonna do a little bit more of the fresco
Yeah.
again. And then we're gonna top it off with some scallions for a
Lovely.
little onion flavor. And that's it.
That is stunning.
Please have a taste.
I would love to.
Yeah.
All right, I want to make sure I get a bit of everything there.
Yes.
2 sauces, 2 cheeses, and double fried plantain.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah.
Plantain. I must say, I don't eat it often. It's not really about the taste, it's more the textural thing, right?
Yeah.
It's like this crunchy texture, like you're
So
having a chip.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I was just about to say that. And the next thing we're gonna do is our grit croquettes. So we're gonna drop them in the fat as well. Basically, grits are corn that's grown and dried and then milled, and we cook it in milk, water, heavy cream, garlic, and thyme. So similar to polenta. If you've had polenta, That's exactly that.
Grits would be definitely coarser
Correct.
than polenta.
Correct. And then once the granules are thoroughly cooked, I add cheese, butter. It becomes this creamy and delicious and velvety item that we then cool down, and then we cut it into squares.
Yeah.
And then we bread it and we fry it, like I'm doing right now. Then we're gonna add some salt, because every time you fry anything, you wanna make sure you salt it when it comes out of the fryer. We're gonna take our garlic aioli. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on the plate here under it.
Ooh.
And then we're gonna take these and we're gonna stack them up like that. So just be careful when you try these now, because the center's gonna be very, very hot. This is it. This is the grit croquettes, garlic aioli.
I am a bit scared it's going to burn my mouth, but let's go for it.
And this specific variety of grits that I use is called speckled corn grits and Jimmy red corn grits.
The little speckles in there, is
Yeah,
that?
that's the red corn.
That's the red corn.
Yes, combination of the Jimmy red and a combination of the speckled corn.
It's so good. It's very unique, slightly earthy, a little nutty too,
Yeah.
fluffy on the inside, super crispy on the outside.
100%.
They're addictive.
Yeah.
I love coming into kitchens like this, learning off the chefs. It's about the ingredients that I've never tasted before. This gorgeous corn, plantain that I very rarely use, and that delicious spice, tahini, is just fantastic. I need to be using more of that in my cooking.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Brandon, you're a legend. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming.